Hello, good morning students. Welcome to my channel. Today in this class we are going to do exercise C given on page number 126 of your English fairy book. This exercise is about active and passive voice. Active और passive voice के बारे में है ये exercise. Active voice क्या है? Active voice में subject is the doer of the action. Subject ही काम को करता है और passive voice में subject action को receive करता है. पैसिव वॉइस में जोर दिया जाता है काम पर, ना कि काम को करने वाले पर. नाउ लेट्स डू दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी few sentences are there. You have to identify that which of these sentences are in active voice and which are in passive voice. एक्टिव वॉइस में जो सेंटेंस है उसके आगे ए वी लिखना है और जो पैसिव वॉइस में है उसके आगे पी वी लिखना है. आइए करते हैं. I shot an arrow. Here who is doer of the action? I means subject is doer of the action. So this is active voice. Then the fuse was changed by the electrician. Now here who is doer of the action? Doer of the action is electrician, but it has become object here. So this is passive voice. Next, the snow was cleared by the workers. Now here this is also passive voice because workers are receiving the action. Next, Harish broke the window pane. Now here the subject is the doer of the action. Subject ही काम को कर रहा है. Harish broke the window. So this is active voice. Next, 4 sandwiches were eaten by that boy. Now here subject is receiving the action. So this is passive voice. Somebody locked the gate. Now here doer of the action is subject only. So this is active voice. Next, the customer filed a complaint. So this is also active voice. Then the speech will be delivered by Sarah. This is passive voice. Now next we are going to do exercise D, which is given on page number 126 and 127. The exercise is rewrite these sentences into passive voice. इन sentences को आपको passive voice में change करना है. अब passive voice में change करते समय क्या ध्यान रखना है? In passive voice, the subject becomes the object and object becomes the subject. Now here let's do this. Rita threw the ball into the air. Now what is subject? Subject is here Rita. And what is object? Object is the ball. So let's begin with the ball was thrown into the air by Rita. So here Rita, who was the subject, the doer of the action, has become object here and she is receiving the action. Next one, mother gave the cat some milk. Now change it into passive voice. Some milk was given to the cat who gave mother by mother. So your passive voice will be some milk was given to the cat by mother. Next, the bakery sold delicious pastries. So here your passive voice will be delicious pastries were sold by the bakery. Next, Sheila bought a bouquet of roses. So your passive voice will be a bouquet of roses was bought by In passive voice, always V3 form is used. So your passive voice will be, a bouquet of roses was bought by Sheila. Now next sentence. The teacher collected the notebooks. Your passive voice will be, the notebooks were collected by the teacher. Next, students answered the test. Change it into passive voice. The test was answered by the students. Next, Rajat has cleaned the car. Passive voice will be, the car has been cleaned by Rajat. Next, Roma is writing a letter. Passive voice will be, a letter is being written by Roma. So students, in this way we have changed the given active voice into passive voice. Now let's do the last exercise. Last exercise of this chapter is my word bank, given on page number 128. Now the exercise is, unscramble the letters and find words related to environmental conservation. Now first one is, you can see this is afforestation. Afforestation. And next is deforestation. Deforestation. So students, we have completed all the exercise of last chapter of your English Fairy book, The Awakening. I hope you like the video. Those who have not subscribed the channel, please first subscribe the channel and search for all the solutions of all the chapters of this English Fairy book. Now that's all for today. We'll meet again with another video. Till then, bye bye.